Planning a trip to Bangkok and wondering how to get around the city like a local? From the Skytrain and Subway to the iconic Chao Phraya River Ferries, navigating Bangkok doesn't have to be confusing or expensive. In this video, I'll give you a complete step-by-step guide on how to use the BTS Skytrain, MRT Subway, and River Ferries, including tips on smart cards, fares, and the fastest ways to reach the top tourist spots. Let's dive in. Let's start with the BTS Skytrain, Bangkok's metro system that's fast, clean, and easy to use. There are several ways to ride the BTS. You can buy a single ride ticket, a day pass, or purchase a rabbit card. I'll go through each of these options. Let's start with the single ride ticket. That's where I'm gonna go. Currently at Bangkok, gonna go all the way down to southwest, which is Laksong. Basically, you put your first destination where you're coming from, the end destination where you're going to, quantity, and then basically you write your own ticket yourself, and then you pay 90 baht or 45 baht for one person. You pay in cash, coins, or you put your card in, or you put your bill in. Actually, no card here, no card here. Yep.
But no 20 for this one.
Yeah, no 20 baht. They'll tell you everything. They give you your change, and then they'll give you your ticket. Now, if you can't read Thai like me, when you go to a BTS station, there's always someone here to help you. Just look for the people in the ticket office, and basically, they'll do their best to help you around. Everyone speaks English here. There are different day passes. This one, I took the most basic day pass, which is the green line only in the BTS. It's 150 baht per person. So the pass starts at 6 a.m. and then it finishes on the midnight on the day of, basically turning into the next day. So it's not a full 24 hours, but it is like a full, I guess, when the train starts, the first train starts at 6 a.m. and the last one, not last one, but ends before the next calendar day, midnight. So definitely kind of reasonable price. 150 baht is like $6 Canadian. It's kind of reasonable if you make the best use of it. Now each one way, depending on where you go, is about 28 baht per ride. Yesterday I bought a one-way ticket, it was 28 baht. So make your money's worth it, is what I'm saying. Lastly, we have the Rabbit Card, which is a prepaid smart card. The Rabbit Card can be purchased at any BTS station, then preloaded and then simply tap on and tap off. The Skytrain has two main lines, the Sukhumvit line and the Silom line, connecting key areas like Siam, Chatuchak, and Silom. Make sure to check the train map and plan your next stops ahead. It's very convenient for reaching shopping centers, temples, and nightlife spots. Next, the MRT Subway, Bangkok's underground metro system. The main MRT Blue Line loops through central Bangkok and connects with BTS stations, making transfers easy. Just like the BTS, tickets can be purchased directly at the kiosk or ticket booth. One thing to note is that the Rabbit Card can only be used on the MRT pink and yellow lines only. Instead, MRT has its own MRT card that can be purchased at any MRT station. Now, let's talk about my favorite way, which is the most beautiful way, to explore Bangkok. The Chao Phraya River Ferries. These ferries run up and down the river, stopping at major piers that connect you to some of the city's biggest attractions, like the Grand Palace, Wat Arun, Wat Pho, and Icon Siam. It's personally my favorite way to travel as it skips all the traffic and is way faster than taking the BTS or MRT. You can reach your destination within 5 to 20 minutes instead of an hour or more on the MRT. There are many different ferries and fares starting at 15 baht and can be purchased at the pier. Just for tourists, there's the Blue Flag hop-on hop-off boat, which is more expensive at about 150 baht for a day pass, but it's very convenient if you plan on visiting all the major attractions in Bangkok but you have little time. Here is the Chao Phraya Express boat. You can hop on, hop off, and you can buy tickets according to where you will want to go. And now this is divided into separate sections. This is the red line and the blue line. Just remember the orange, well, not red, but orange line and the blue flag. And you can hop on and hop off. Now, The service hours you need to know are important. From 9 a.m. to 19:15, which is, it stops at 7:15. So always take a picture of this. This always tells you where you're going to be going. And I do understand, you have no idea where you want to go. And this isn't really a proper kiosk, but it is 30 baht to go to these places. And they will explain to you everything. There are English-speaking guides, and they're over here.
So the hop on, hop off is just this blue line.
Yeah.
If you want the orange one, it's public.
That's public.
This is by separate tickets.
The public boat is going to be on the left side, whereas the hop on, hop off will end at 6:30 now. And these are the ones that I was talking about. Icon Siam, the Wataran, you can buy a daily pass to go there. Whereas this one, public boat, there's more locations. You can go to Ratchabong, you can go to Memorial Bridge, you can go to Bangkok, you can go to the infamous Khao San Road if you want to take the public boat. Yeah, but everything can be purchased here. Very easy when you go to the Satam Pier. And that's how you do it. So don't be overwhelmed when you go. Everything is explained thoroughly. And dirt cheap too. Now over here, there are more routes with more boats, different lines as you can see. Besides the orange and blue line, which are already here, the orange and then the blue, there's also yellow, green, red, and gold. So take a screenshot. This might help you out, and it tells you how much it is. 30 baht, 14 baht, 21 baht, 33 baht, 21 baht. So everything here is extremely cheap for $1, less than $1 Canadian, definitely less than $1 US for all of these routes. So definitely check this out. And here are the bus times for y'all. Right now I am taking the Chao Phraya Express from my hotel to the Sandton Pier. It is the yellow flag. I took the yellow flag line basically to go down to my destination, which is going to be none other than the famous Chatuchak market. So I see you guys there. It was only 21 baht, less than $1, and going to take the bus to avoid all the heavy traffic. I also recommend it to you if you only have about 24 to 40 hours and you want to go to the major attractions such as Chatuchak Market or Icon Siam or the Wataran Temple. Take the water river taxi, which is the Chao Phraya Express, because it's definitely worth the views and worth the time used to spend on transportation because you don't have that much time. So the best way to get around Bangkok efficiently is to combine the BTS, MRT, and Chao Phraya ferries. Take the Skytrain or Subway for fast city travel, and then hop on the river ferries for sightseeing or accessing river attractions. And that's your complete guide to using Bangkok's public transportation, the BTS Skytrain, MRT Subway, and Chao Phraya River Ferries. With these tips, you can explore Bangkok efficiently and stress-free. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe and follow me for more, and enjoy your Bangkok adventure.